she has cemented her position here as one of the starters. Take a look at the first 6 for Petrogas and for Numero. What we saw in their match against Cherry Tigo, and eto nga, napag-usapan kanina pa Neng, no? Na Pablo, si Kat Arado, offense versus defense. Pero syempre, yung showdown ni Brooke Van Sickle at ni Savvy Davison. And here we go. Savvy with the first ball and the first point today. Yep. Welcome back, Savvy. And third spot with equal number of points, 91 points so far in this tournament. Service ace.
Yep, that was service ace. Sakto sa mga PLDT. Binitawan na ng mga receivers yun because it looked like it was sailing out, but it clipped the line.
Good up by Savvy.
Oh,
gandang bantay naman nun.
Yeah.
Coron.
Ganda ng bantay. No coverage on the side of PLDT. Pero good ni Del Palomata, but a miscommunication on who will get high speed ng Petrogas rather. So a lot of unforced errors from their side, but a good hit there from Myla Pablo, targeting cross court.
We're closer now, just a 1-point lead for PLDT. Davison, same thing. On the other side, also going for that corner. And she's in the front. Let's see if this is it. What a pancake
Yeah,
save.
good save.
Yun, pasok na naman.
Yeah.
Zone 6 this time. Watch all the action live, on demand, and on any device. Download and register for free. Lots of sports on Pilipinas Live. On paper, they are such a dangerous team, PLDT. Oh! Yun naman.
Yeah, back-to-back blocks. Good serve. Oh, good save from Sabete, and a chance here for PLDT.
Oy! Hulog! Ganda naman. Lahat tayo nagulat. I'm sure kayo rin nanonood sa bahay.
PLDT, take a look at that. Talagang dinikit ni Kat Arado yung receive niya sa net para naman easy drop ball there.
And what a way to end this first set.
Yung coverage nila, dahil nabablock nga sila ng PLDT. Hindi ganun ka-tight yung coverage nila.
And that one is another point. So Sabete seems to unti-unti na ng PLDT kanilang mga puntos. Still a 5-point lead.
Oh!
Okay, make it 6 again. Remy Palma of Petrogas. So kilalang kilala niya ang kanyang mga teammates. And she's right. Communication on and off the court is key. Joy Baron. Another point for the birthday girl.
Middle attackers, mas nahihirapan makablock yung either squad.
Sabete from the left-hand side this time. She's gonna get another chance and she finds the hole down the line.
Hindi nila na-sustain yung maganda nilang galaw nung first set.
Oh!
Oh, still alive.
Great save there by Baby Love. Ayun! Ang bilis ng pangyayari, and that is what's that. Good first ball from Ceballos.
No, good defense.
Yes. Arado with a save. Santos blocked, and she tries to kick the ball back up, couldn't do it, and that's another point for the Angels. Petrogas as a team, they're doing much better in the second set. They lost the first one 12-25. For those of you who didn't get that. Santos sending it over. Sabete, Dacoron there, sending the ball over to another chance for Petrogas to set up. Great anticipation by Kat Arado. Van Sickle with a save. We have a rally. Pablo, soft one. Yung mga off-speed ni Pablo, yun ang deadly ngayon.
Oo, kasi hindi mo alam kung...
Pablo with 9 points already today. Alcantara putting it up for Ceballos. And Petura was there. Dacoron sending it over. Unexpected by PLDT.
Yeah, definitely. Because akala mo isa-set ni...
25-12 for PLDT naman, for those of you who missed it. Uy!
Again.
Ganda naman nun.
Yeah.
for Petrogas.
Serving for the set.
Tough serve. Chance here for Petrogas to close out. And good enough. MJ Phillips with the help of the net.
Yeah.
Angel.
And the score is 25-14. A win for Petrogas this time. At yung mga bagets katulad mo.
Ay, nako, hindi ko alam yun.
But they really have found friends in each other. We're talking about Brooke Vancicle and Savvy Davison. But not today. Galit-galit muna. Oh, Sabete into the net. Starting with an error. With the help of the net, Del Palomata saving the day for PLDT. That ball back with the Angels. Pablo, down the line, inside.
Yeah.
2-all.
Pinakita mo na ni Cheng na magbablock siya, tapos bigla niyang binaba yung kamay niya. Kaya naman, walang touch.
Nice pick up by Vancicle. Ball back to Petrogas. Pablo will go up, and she is looking for that corner. She finds it. Zone 1 empty. Pablo will score point number 11. Coron again.
Yeah, that's the side.
Oh, a little too much. That was a tough one. Nakita natin, biglang bumagsak yung floater serve eh. Sabalio has good first ball. Davison going cross court. Ang lalim.
Yeah.
Did for that. Nakita din natin in reverse yun.
Attack. Woo. Oh, still live.
Good heads up by PLDT. And Janelle Cheng weaving her magic again.
They might want to activate their middle attackers dahil nababantayan na ng Petrogas yung wing hitters ng PLDT.
Ceballos will get the ball again. And what a save by Sabete. Great defense. Oh, yun naman.
Yeah, that was smart. A good first ball.
Oh, off speed.
Yeah. Usually, papaluin mo na lang ng malakas yun. But soft hit works well.
Vancicle going full force for that one.
From Petrogas.
Good first ball by Morente. Myla Pablo did not waste that. Again. To see if it gets it ahead of Myla Pablo, no problem. But Carrado with a good first ball. Here's a chance for Petrogas. Are they going to get this third set? That's what Vancicle wants, and that's what she gets.
Yeah, too easy na dumating sa Petrogas yung bola. So, wag nang hayaan makahabol ang PLDT sa kanilang score. But take a look at that long hit actually from Vancicle targeting in between Carrado. Yung galaw nila ngayon na kailangan din nila mas maganda ang umpisa for this fourth set.
Sabete with a swing.
Off the block.
And Sabete with 12. Oh, floater. Good first ball by Savvy.
Santos.
But a quick read there. Tatlong blockers in front.
Good serve by Reyes. Oh, again at the blocking. Tataas na sila sa ranggo ng blocking after today. Look at that, 12 excellent sets so far for Janelle Cheng. Oh,
Yeah, that was inside.
Yep, the offensive blocks.
Madami nga. Parang puro basic lang. Open or quick hit or opposite. But sometimes hindi mo na kailangan mag-combination attacks pag effective naman yung mga simple play.
Tama. If it ain't broke. Ayun na yung back row ni Myla Pablo. And that was a good decision for Janelle Cheng to look for Pablo from him. And 17 big points for Myla Pablo. It's over!
Pablo.
Making 18 points. She is now the top scorer for Petrogas. A bind here. They have to win this set to play on. Davison going cross court and catching Myla Pablo off guard there. Mention again her 18 points, conference high for Typhoon Pablo. Sabete down the line.
Next inside. Though you did mention na parang madami ang points na binibigay or nakukuha ni Savvy Davison. So other players of PLDT should also step up.
Prado picked up there by Jonas Abete. Van Sickle, ball still good. A chance here for PLDT to regroup. Alcantara to Mika. Oh, wow! The blocking, this time Dacoron. So talagang matira-matibay dito. Fatigue and the longevity and the fresh legs, lahat yan kailangan i-consider ng mga teams.
Oh!
Single block.
I'll take a look at that reverse set. But guarding that cross.
Blockers, and it has been a non-factor for them, at least in the last couple of sets.
Yeah. Quick side out for Petrogas.
Again, going deep. Alcantara looking for Jovi Prado. Temperatura with a save. Van Sickle. Dug by Catarado there. Prado. And lambasa ni Van Sickle. Sabete. And look at everybody on the floor just going for the balls. Great saves, both squads. Uy! Pero lumabas yun. But A for effort for Catarado. Van Sickle taking care of that one. She goes for the hit and across court. 21 for Brooke.
21.
Open hitman or opposite hit. Good serve.
Good first ball though by Jovi Prado. Pero naman, bantay. Si Reby Palma and Jonas Abete joining forces there. Perfect first ball. Pablo, will she do it? She does. And a fitting finish for Myla Pablo with a conference high